So what happened to the pants today?
Alright, so we were sitting there just straddled the river, and all of a sudden this rock got slippery all of a sudden. All I know is a coyote just goes down, just boom, just splits it. And I hear a high screechy yelp out of him saying something swam my pants. Followed up by, never mind, my pants just split. My pants just split. Next thing you know, we're just using band-aids to try to fabricate some sort of closure to the situation so we don't have a questionable situation arise. And then he caught 3 bass, so at the end of the day, that's all that counts.
If Pocahontas could do this, we could do this. Oh, that was a hole. Found a hole. Whew. Whew, these rocks are slippery. Oh, GoPro's good. Oh. Oh. I'm good. You good? Oh. Just forge it. You got it. I went by the log. Is it hot? Hot, 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 hot. I'm going through these trees. This is the spot. Yeah. Look, you can see my slip marks from where I fell.
Really?
Face first.
That's good.
Actually, real first.
I can figure this out.
What happened?
Which compartment do you think?
Oh. Okay, put it in the waterproof pouch, or the bladder pouch in the main compartment. Because that's still somewhat waterproof.
Like up top?
Yeah, the main compartment. Not the top piece. That one's full, I believe. All right, good.
I'll zip you up all the way.
Yeah. Don't want to lose.
So don't make it.
Oh, he fall. Oh, there he goes.
Damn.
He followed it a few times. Little guy, not what was biting the other day.
No. It's all by angles, though.
True. All about angles. Does this angle work?
No. Yeah, that one does.
Yeah. But we were catching them repeatedly in this hole behind us. Throw in there and nothing bites it. Well, that's all it took, a switch of the lure. Small guy. Lure change, that's all it took. Go to black. For some reason the fish here love that color. They won't hit anything else. Little guy. Oh yeah. He just swiped at it. Nice little shoal bass. Oh, my bad. Oh yeah. Another nice, decent sized shoalie. How did he do that? That spot just looked good. I was about to cross and then saw that spot and was like, nope, I'm casting to it a couple times. Just looks deep enough. Just looks like it's holding more than one fish. They got nailed coming off that waterfall. Fell right out. He was just hanging right under that waterfall. So I wonder if there's any more just chilling like that. Ooh, nice bluegill. Glad I didn't want to touch that guy. His spines just tear you up. Alright, so I got some video.
Huh?
Alright, video.
What up?
Alright, so how did our day go?
Broke my rod, broke your pants.
Ripped my pants straight across the crotch. Had some stuff exposed.
Broke my tip off in a completely unrelated incident.
Yes.
It's kind of related.
Yeah. Shout out to Band-Aid Brands for sealing up my pants.
Shout out to the guy that did a tumble through the rapids.
Yeah, that guy. He just rolled and rolled and rolled. Good burger at the brew house and a good slushy at Reboot.
It's true.
And a lava lamp. Look at that lava lamp. What is this? 1920? Or when were they?
1970s.
70s, yeah. Oh, yeah. Didn't have lava lamps in the 20s. Or did they? I know Hawaii's got them. Yep. Alright. Well, here's our sign off.